Hello, 6H. Look at this. Look at it. It's got a mind of its own. Look at it. Just wanted to come on and say well done to everybody for the last week. We're heading into the final week of term, which is amazing. And only a 4-day week next week, because next Friday is a training day. However, if of course we need to do some work, or you would like to do some work, just let me know and I can set you something to do for the day. And then we have a week of half term. The exciting news as well, if you weren't on the if you weren't on the call this morning, was that it looks like we could have a really cold week next week, including hopefully some snow. I haven't done this for a couple of weeks, so I just wanted to come on and say a real huge well done to everybody who's submitting work, those people who haven't been submitting work but come back to submitting work, those people who are just finding the time to submit a little bit of work. We realise and understand how difficult it is to be working from home. So hopefully that's not going to be something that lasts for a long time. And hopefully it's something that we can move forward with. Keep your eyes peeled over the weekend, because I know that Mr. Chalmers has and is looking at a new way of setting work for both SPAG work and maths work, using an online resource that we're going to invest in. So keep your eyes open, because he's going to explain that, and then on Monday I think we're going to look at going live with that. So keep your eyes open for that, because that's quite exciting. But other than that, I just want to say well done to people and thank you to people who are dropping in on the sessions to come in and for some help. Remember, 1 till 2 every day there's a teacher on, and I know that we say 1 till half 1 is reading and half 1 till 2 is maths, but if you need some help at any point, come and drop in, and whoever's in charge will help you. I'm on Monday. If anyone wants to come in, just say hello, but feel free. And then we've got and remember that Monday, Wednesday, and it'll only be Monday and Wednesday next week, we have the morning meets. The link goes live, if I remember, at 9:05, and then 9:15 we kind of set away. Monday we'll do another memory test. Well done for those people who submitted their memory test this week. It won't be a recipe this week. We will look at one of those trays with some things in it for you to kind of remember, or we'll have a look at maybe a generation game thing while I'm passing things across the screen for you to try and remember and send into. So memory is really good and really important that we continue it. I'm hoping, if it doesn't snow, I'm hoping I'll be in the classroom Monday, so I'll be able to do the live link line meet up in the morning from the classroom. So, but we'll see. Cool, look at this, it's grey as well. Long, out of control and grey. Mad, absolutely mad. Anyway, I hope you all have a lovely weekend. Stay as safe as you can stay. If you can get outside, get outside. Enjoy the sunshine. Enjoy the snow if it happens. And if it does happen, make sure you keep me informed with the amount of snowmen that you're going to build. Adios, and I'll speak to you all Monday.